Today I am going to cook a very popular and a traditional dish of Goa, chicken Xacuti, which is cooked among all the communities of Goa. Now let's marinate our 400 grams of chicken with salt to taste, about 1 teaspoon of it, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half lime goes in it, lime juice. We'll marinate this and keep it aside for marination for about 30 minutes. Chicken Xacuti is very flavorful. It contains lot of spices. So now first we'll stir fry and then powder all the spices. Heat a pan and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. To this you add your spices, about 30 peppercorns, 20 cloves, 1 mace blade, half star anise, 2-inch stick of cinnamon and 1/4 nutmeg. Stir fry it till it is fragrant. To this we add 1 teaspoon of poppy seed, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, and stir fry it again till it changes color. This is done. Now to this we add 8 red dried chilies. Stir fry it again till the chilies change color. Now our spices are stir fried, but remember not to over fry the spices. So when the other spices like cloves, peppercorn, cinnamon are half done, then you add your red chilies. Now we'll stir fry the onions and coconut. For that you require to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add onion, sliced onion to it. Now the onions are translucent. We'll add 1.5 cup of grated coconut to it. Keep on stir frying it till it is light brown. Making chicken Xacuti is a lengthy process, but once the dish is ready, you're going to love it. Onion and coconut is nice and brown. Let's make a paste of it. Let's add 1/4 cup of water. Yes, it's nice and smooth. Our coconut onion paste is ready. Now we'll make a paste of all these stir-fried spices. There are 10 different kinds of spices in it to make Xacuti powder. It's done. Chicken is marinated. Our coconut paste is ready and our spice paste also is ready. So let's make chicken Xacuti. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the hot pan. This 2 big finely chopped onions and saute the onions till it changes color. To this translucent onion, now we'll add 1 big finely chopped tomato and cook the tomato till it is soft. Our onion and tomatoes are cooked. To this we add marinated chicken. Toss the marinated chicken with onions and tomatoes for 2-3 minutes. Okay, so now we add spice paste to it. Wow, this Xacuti spice paste is so flavorful. I know it is a lengthy procedure of stir frying and powdering it, but if you don't want to go through this lengthy procedure, what you can do is, this Xacuti powder is easily available in any of the departmental stores in Goa and Maharashtra and online. If not, even Goa Portuguesa has come out with their own Xacuti spice mix, which is available on Amazon and in Goa Portuguesa Restaurant. To this, now we add 1.5 cup of water. and cook chicken fully. Wow, this is so aromatic. Now to this, the chicken is fully done. We add coconut paste and salt to taste. Okay, now chicken chhaguti is almost done. Let's cover it up and simmer the gravy on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's taste this chicken chhaguti. It's delicious and flavorful. I just love it.